Oh, Ration St. Mark's place?
All right, you're on.
Yeah.
Are you okay?
What the fuck do you think, man? Oh,
shit.
it hurts.
You're hurt. Can somebody get an ambulance? Get an ambulance. Move your ass.
And if I die, I want you to promise me something.
Okay, look, don't move. Don't move because that's what they say. If you move, that's when you fuck shit up worse. So don't move.
I want you to tell my wife something.
Yeah, I'll tell her. What do you want me to tell her?
Tell I love her.
Okay, all right, I'll tell her. All right, but you promise? Yeah, I promise. I promise. You just hang in there. This ambulance is gonna be here any minute, and you're gonna be fine. You're gonna be fine, man. You'll be fine.